Is it time to buy or sell the XLE exchange-traded fund? In this video, we are exploring the XLE in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 6th of May, 2025, our system has ranked XLE as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.74. Now, let's examine the performance of the ETF during this time frame. The ETF has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The exchange-traded fund is positioned amidst a broad and declining trend in the short term, with indications of further declines within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 12% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -20% and -2%. When examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of around -6%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -11% and +11% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $71.78 and $89.52. Our latest daily update for the XLE includes the headline, XLE ETF upgraded from sell candidate to hold accumulate after Tuesday trading session. On the last day, Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, the price of the XLE ETF decreased by approximately 0.0124%, moving from $80.50 to $80.49 during the last trading day. The ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.43%, ranging from a low of $80.08 to a high of $81.22. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 instances, resulting in a decline of 1.11% for this period. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is generally a positive indicator, as volume typically follows the ETF's trend. On that day, the trading volume dropped by 4 million shares, with a total of 11 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $891,002,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the ETF was $97.92, while the lowest stood at $74.49. Currently, the price is 17.8%, or $17.43, below the 52-week high, and 18.67%, or $18.48, below the all-time high, which was reached on the 12th of April, 2024, when the price peaked at $98.97. The energy sector, particularly through the XLE exchange-traded fund, is experiencing significant fluctuations and opportunities as of May 2025. Recent performances by major players such as ExxonMobil and Chevron have surpassed earnings estimates, although revenues fell short, indicating mixed signals for the sector's short-term outlook. May began with some optimism as experts highlight the potential for recovery from April's poor performance, which marked oil's worst month since 2021. Stacey Morris from Vetify pointed out energy exchange-traded funds as areas of considerable interest, underscoring a broader market shift towards value stocks, particularly in the energy segment, which remains undervalued compared to other sectors. This presents a compelling case for both short-term investments and long-term growth. Moreover, while geopolitical tensions and decisions from the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries have previously spurred volatility, analysts indicate that the fundamentals for energy demand remain strong, fueled by underlying supply gaps. This suggests that, despite short-term price pressures, the intrinsic value of these stocks could rebound, providing a lucrative entry point for investors looking for long-term gains. In terms of impact on stock prices, the short-term volatility might lead to heightened caution among some investors. However, those capitalizing on current undervaluations could stand to benefit significantly as market stability returns, reinforcing the long-term bullish outlook for the XLE exchange-traded fund. The following signals have been identified for XLE. Today, there are mixed signals in the ETF. The XLE ETF currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $81.42 and $84.90. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. The volume declined alongside the price in the last trading session, which helps reduce overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. A buy signal was triggered from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and so far, the price has increased by 5.3%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is also a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, a buy signal has been indicated. Pivots, a buy signal was noted 20 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was observed 21 days ago. The short-term moving average, a sell signal, emerged 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, a sell signal, was noted 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 22 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average still reflects a sell signal from 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 22 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's explore the support, risk, and stop loss for XLE. XLE finds support from accumulated volume at $78.76. This level could present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. This exchange-traded fund is typically traded at a solid volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the risk is deemed low. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated $1.15, which is a change of 1.43% between its high and low. In the past week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.07%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for XLE. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for XLE is at $80.50. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, XLE encounters its first support level at $78.76. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $75.83, reflecting a decrease of 5.79%. This exchange-traded fund experiences low daily movements, which translates to a lower risk profile. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom observed 19 days ago. Is the XLE ETF a good buy? The XLE ETF shows several positive indicators. However, we still do not consider these sufficient to recommend a purchase at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a candidate for holding or accumulating while we await further developments. Since our last evaluation, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a sell to a hold or accumulate position. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 7th of May, we anticipate that XLE will open higher by approximately 105 thousandths of a dollar, starting at $80.60. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.